Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you want to contact Facebook chat support, then you are on the right video. Watch complete video to learn how to contact Facebook chat support. In this video, I am going to show you how to do this. First of all, open Facebook app from your mobile phone. Click on three lines at top right. Now you have to scroll down and choose help and support option. Here you have to choose report a problem and again click on report problem. Now you have to click on include in report option. Here you can choose any category related to your problem. For example, I am going to choose camera. Here you can describe your problem. For example, I am going to write having problems with my camera. You can also attach screenshot here. Now click on send button at top right. Now your report has been sent. If you want to go to chat support, then click on support inbox. Here you will be able to see if you receive any response from support. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.